Organized under the theme Bridging Markets, Building Futures, the forum aimed to explore trade opportunities, promote investment partnerships, and unlock new supply chains between Sudan and Uganda.
We have received investors from France, investors from different countries of Europe, investors from Gulf regions of Sudan origin, and I want to thank the organizers and the sponsors of this wonderful event, our brothers, the Arab African Group for Investment and Trade, who have sponsored this event.
The launch of the Trade Forum featured keynote speeches, product exhibitions, and business-to-business meetings focused on sectors such as agriculture, construction, textiles, and logistics.
And we have successfully managed to lure our investors, our potential investors from the Sudan, and we have successfully answered that question, why invest in Uganda. We have talked about some opportunities, the trade and export profiles, the Uganda microeconomic indicators. We've talked about the major trading partners. We've talked about the Uganda regional economic blocks and market access, the East African community, the common market for East and Southern Africa, COMESA, the African continental free trade area, and all those were good enough to convince our brothers and sisters who intend to invest in our country.
Ugandan officials praised the initiative, citing it as a welcome boost to regional integration under the African Continental Free Trade Area.
We talked about the key opportunities like the commercial agriculture, the finance and banking opportunities, the ICT digital economy, the mining and minerals, the manufacturing and industry, infrastructure, development, tourism, hospitality, and also we talked about the incentives which our government gives to our potential investors. So I again call upon our brothers, the Sudan community here in Uganda, to invest in Uganda because of the high growth potential, the vast market access, and also the business-friendly policies.
Participants expressed optimism about the forum becoming an annual platform to drive Africa's intra-trade ambitions. The launch marks a strong step towards economic diplomacy and entrepreneurial synergy, one that could set a precedent for other African nations to follow. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.